Hi, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the Add2it FileOverwatch Pro script on your server. This is the one file that comes with the script, and before I go into what you need to edit in here, let me start first with the MySQL database that you need to set up on your cPanel server in order to be able to use this. Let's move over to cPanel, and in cPanel we look into MySQL databases. So what you need to do is first you need to create a new database. I've done this already here before by simply entering the database name right here and clicking on Create Database. Then you add a user by adding the username here and choosing a password for the user. Then clicking on Create User, and finally by adding the user to the database, selecting the user here, the database here, and then clicking on Add and giving him all permissions. Once you have added the MySQL database, let's go back into the checkfiles.pl file. What you need and can edit in here is first your own domain name right here. You put in the domain name of the site that you want to check with this system. You can also add additional domain names if you like, but you can just simply keep only the domain name itself that you want to check for that particular site here. Then next you can choose which directories to skip and which not to check to. For example, if you have directories where there's constantly new files from whatever reasons, like users uploading data or whatever, and you don't want to know about all those new files and changed files in that directory, you can exempt them from being checked here. Then if there's certain files with certain extensions that you don't want to know about, you can select the file extensions right here. And if there are any particular files that you don't want to be regularly checked, you can add them right here in this section. By the way, you can use also regular expressions in here. For example, here is like any sessions _mm _cgi-fcgi with a number .sem. Next, you enter the email address at which you want to receive the notification emails if there are any changes, files having been added or deleted. And then right down here, this is where you enter the MySQL details that you just selected when you created the database. You put the database name right on top. This one, the table, you can leave as is or change if you want to. This table will automatically be created inside the database. Then you have the username that you need to update here and the password, of course. Secret you can leave blank if you don't want to use it. Otherwise, if you add a secret in here, it needs to be in the cron job by putting in a space and then the secret at the end. Since we're uploading the script not into a directory that can be accessed to the web, we don't have to worry about the secret. Now, once you have changed all this, simply save this file and then use your FTP software to upload it. Remember to upload it into your directory right here, not into the public _HTML, but one directory above that. And then don't forget to change the file permission to 755, and then you're done at this point. Now the last step you need to do is to set up the cron job in cPanel. In the cron job you can simply set up right here. Select every 5 minutes or every minute, however often you want this to be done, this checked. And then put the command in here, as I've done right down here, /home/ and then your cPanel username /checkfiles.pl. And again, if you don't want to use the secret, you simply leave this part here away in the end. And then add the cron job, and then you're done. Now, once the cron gets executed the first time, you will receive an email like this that shows you the new and modified files. Obviously, since it hasn't checked before, it will recognize all the files that are currently on your server as new. But in the future, you will only receive emails whenever something changes, files are added, files are deleted, or files are modified. Thanks a lot for watching this video and have a great day.